quantitative trader now. So how a new breed of math whizzes conquered Wall Street and nearly destroyed it. Fascinating story. Definitely read this. I know it's a lot of reading material, but Complete Turtle Trader. This is an inspiring story of how they found some people on like Craigslist ads or, you know, newspaper ads. And they said, hey, we need somebody to come trade for us. We have a system, just trade it. And these guys went ahead and traded that system. And out of it became millionaires, not overnight. They didn't become overnight millionaires, but they took 23 novice traders and taught them a trading system like you might find here on one of these papers or one of these books or podcasts. You learned, they learned, and they were able to run it up. So I'm just trying to give you all of the resources for trading here, where you can find more and more trading strategies, dude. How to trade in stocks was a good one. Not that. Jesse Livermore here. How to trade in stocks. Must read. A Random Walk Down Wall Street. Another great book. So I'm just trying to give you every resource that I have read. Now, I haven't read all of them, so if you have more for me, please do let me know. Fooled by Randomness. The Hidden Role of Chance in Life and in the Markets. Really great book. Best Loser Wins. In trading, you can't have an ego. If you do, you get cooked. You can't win if you think you have to win every game. You have to lose in trading. And that's one of the big reasons that I am an algorithmic trader. It's because I want to win, you know? And I know that I can't just work harder at trading. I can't just sit there and stare at the chart harder to make it go my way. The only way I can win is to approach it algorithmically. And that's why I spend all of my time here building out trading systems and showing you every single step of the way. One Up on Wall Street's another good one. These are just the goated books, dude. One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch, all-time great. The Black Swan. There's always a possibility of a black swan. We've seen them before. COVID, black swan. How do your machines handle that is the question. These are things that you'll have to ask. May I ask, do you have to run the bot on a server or your own PC? Do you have to run your bot on a server or your own PC? I'll get to that in a second. The Black Swan is very important to read. What I learned losing $1 million. Go ahead and read that one. What I learned losing $1 million. Very good book. Option volatility and pricing. If you're interested in options, option volatility, I haven't fully read this one yet, but this is a textbook. It's thick and it has trading strategies in it. So it's something that has been recommended by pretty much every great trader and fund advisor I've ever met. Trading in the Zone. Great book. Master the market with confidence, discipline, and a winning attitude. One Good Trade. This is another good book. This is the guy that built SMB Capital up in New York. Where is it? Mike Belfiore. Oh, look at that, dude. He answered for you. The AI answered for you. That's awesome. Inside the highly competitive world of proprietary trading, very competitive industry you're jumping into, dude. It's probably the most competitive in the world. Just remember, it's PvP, meaning like I take from you, you take from me. If I win, you lose. If you win, I lose. Not necessarily me and you, but you're taking the money from somebody else. So inherently extremely competitive. I just gave you a bunch of books here. So remember, the process to automate your trading is this, dude. It comes down to three things. Everybody wants to build a bot straight off the bat, but in reality, that is not a good approach. Not every strategy that you build into bots will be profitable. So there's no reason to build a bot if you don't know the strategy is profitable in the past. Create a framework that allows us to make sure that the strategy that you're trading is actually profitable in the past prior to building it into a bot. This will allow you to have confidence when you do create your bot. Another safety measure I personally use is when I build that bot, I use tiny size. I watch it for 30 days. Below is my RBI system that helps me build profitable trading bots. So it comes down to researching. I just showed you two amazing ways to research, dude. You got academic papers via Google Scholar. You can go through Google Scholar like we just did. I gave you a bunch of ideas. Trading books. We just went through a ton of different trading books. Trading podcasts, dude. I would just start with this one. Chat with traders, because there's so many. There's so many chat with trader episodes here, and you can see all of the people that they've talked to. There's 300 episodes here. If you can't find a strategy after listening to these 300 episodes, dude, like, you're probably not gonna make it, to be honest. Probably not gonna make it. With all of these podcasts, in combination with all of those books I showed you and all of the papers, it's going to be hard to not find ideas. But that's the most important part, and that's why I'm showing this first, and that's why it's the R, it's RBI. I need you to be able to constantly research. I need you to be able to always find your next idea. Don't get married to ideas, please, please, please. Never get married to an idea, dude. Just keep coming back. Try a new idea. If it didn't work, okay, move on to the next one. You can see there's 300 episodes here. You can find it on your whatever podcast or YouTube or whatever. And if you can listen to all of these, even like 2x speed, dude, it might take a while, but this game is no joke. It's no joke, and it's great because you get to hear from real traders, and these are verified traders. That's what I like most about this is they go back and they ask for track records. So I've listened to pretty much every single one of these chat with traders. So I've been in the mind of many of these people. Interesting, they removed one. I've never seen that done before. I wonder what that was. That makes me curious.
Imagine you had everything you wanted. Everything. Imagine you were everything you ever wanted to be. And capture that feeling. That's the easiest way to manifest what you want.
Episode 126 here. Chat with traders 126. What did he drop? He leaked his edge clearly. Um, so that's gonna happen, dude. It's gonna happen. But that tells you this is kind of gold, right? They want to remove it. Chat with traders 126. So interview, podcast episodes. See if we can find this anywhere. Awesome interview. The demure of an unstoppable futures trader. Oh, and he's an algo trader. HF Trader, he was formerly the macro of hedge fund. Jonathan got into trade sports related industry. I definitely listen to this. I definitely listen to this. He did a stat arb, ran a stat arb model. Jonathan got a job at a hedge fund. So this is a fun game, right? Like you're able to go so deep into this. Market Wizards, check out the book Jonathan recommends to everybody. See, same book, Market Wizards, dude. There's nothing new out there. It's just how are you gonna piece things together is the real question. How are you gonna piece things together? How are you gonna approach it? Do you think this kind of strategy would be hard to code? I don't know what strategy you're talking about. I think you can pretty much code all of them. So definitely check out Chat with Traders. There's some other podcasts out there, but I'm sure you can find them. You know, at the end of the day, I wanted to show you like places that you can find strategies because I'm not going to give you a profitable strategy. Nobody's giving you a profitable strategy. But you have unlimited academic papers, you have unlimited podcasts, you have a ton of books, and then videos, YouTube videos. I won't go deep into this, but you know how to search YouTube, dude. Trading strategies, just like that. You can start there. You have no ideas? Well, here's a bunch of ideas, dude. Trading strategies. Okay, well, you want to get a little more into it. Mean reversion strategies. All of these things that you've picked up, all of these keywords, all of these approaches to markets, all of these ideas, all of these, these thoughts, just type in here. Mean reversion strategies. You want to go deeper? You know how to research. You found me, you know? So I know you're a great researcher. Mean reversion strategies, momentum strategies. You can watch these forever. You can watch these forever. And let's go ahead here and say videos. I actually have an RBI agent for this. It's pretty cool. So I can open up these videos here and whatever strategy they're talking about, it will code a backtest for me. So if I open this up and this one, let's say, and I just grab these two links here, I can put them into my RBI agent. So down here in the, let's see here, RBI ideas here, I could put any YouTube video links here and it will go watch the YouTube video.
Solo necesitas el
And
nombre
then
y la
backtest
visión de
it.
tu proyecto para dar el primer paso.
So let's go try it out, dude.
El dominio perfecto te espera.
RBI agent here.
Regístralo y crea tu web.
Run it.
Descubre herramientas de diseño.
So there's an error. Request too big for the model. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Let's change the model up. So you can see I'm using a bunch of different models here. So change the model up. See, I'm using Mixtral here. Let's use. Let's use a different model. Models here. Let's go to model factory or the readme. Let's say open to the side. And let's just use Claude Haiku here. So I would just go to here and say Claude instead. And then let's try it. Okay, so you can see it's processing the idea, successfully fetched the YouTube transcript. There's 500 or 454,000, okay? And then it goes ahead and it found the actual strategy here, and now it's backtesting the strategy. So it's pretty fire, dude. It's pretty fire. This is just an agent inside of my MoonDev AI agents for trading GitHub. A lot of you have access to that. So yeah, that's just, I build tools to help me do the research process for me. And now it's backtesting for me, which is awesome. So you can see here, outputted the backtest to here, adaptive reversal. Anyways, I'll kill that for now. I just wanted to show you that. That's just part of my AI agents. Everything I do, I just try to make better and better and better and better. Better and better and better and better. Okay, so now you know pretty much everything about where to find strategies. And I literally gave you all the sauce today. So you now have everything you need in order to go find strategies in order to get started with this process. So you now know how to research. And the next thing would be backtesting. Backtesting to see if they worked in the past. So that would be number 2. But let's delete all this. He says 777, dude. Thank you. Oh, by the way, do you have to run this on your own PC? Well, I run it on my own PC until it works, and then I scale it. So when I was first getting started, I had a secondary PC for the longest time, and I would just run it there because I was just testing. But to scale, I ended up setting up a VPS. VPS sounds intimidating if you're new to this, but it's actually super duper easy, and I show you how to do it. So yeah, I'll just walk you right through it. It takes like 10 minutes. I want to answer a few questions here after a quick little pee break. All right, so I get so many people coming to my channel and saying, "Hey, Moondev, can I run your bots and make $1 million? Can I make a bunch of money off this overnight?" And the answer is always no. So algo trading is automating your trading strategy. Now, if you're a trader, you know that you have to have money in order to trade. If you are starting at $0 or close to zero, I actually do not recommend algo trading. I do recommend you learn how to code because I believe code is the great equalizer. And if you learn how to code, you will be able to build anything for the rest of your life. Now, I understand that you might be thinking this is a way to get rich quick. It's just not. Algorithmic trading is very, very hard, and you have to build your own edge. Now, I show it on YouTube because I believe code's a great equalizer. And if it gets you motivated to code, then dude, I've done my job. You've learned how to code. Okay, so how do you actually make money with coding if you can't just make money out of thin air with algo trading? Again, if you have cash that you have and you're trading it successfully or even unsuccessfully, that's a different story. You can automate your trading and you can earn a yield if you find an edge. But if you have no money, how do you make that first $100 or the first $500 or first $1,000 or whatever, dude? Go to the Clips channel. The Clips channel in my Discord. Go to the moondev.com in order to get in the Discord. Go to the Clips channel because you can see here I have so many great videos on my YouTube channel. And there's so many pieces of gold that I literally want to watch. If you clip them into short, concise videos and upload them to YouTube, you literally can make passive income. Here's the earning structure for you. You literally just take any of my videos and you go and you clip them up. You go ahead and use CapCut if you'd like, or you can use this AI agent that clips them for you. You can look more into the Clips channel here on the Discord and see the full walkthrough, including a training video here. But essentially, long story short, is I have super long videos and there's gold in those long videos. Your opportunity here is to build a whole business based off of my videos. Essentially, you take the long videos and you make short videos. You can use CapCut here as I show you, or you can use the AI agent. Go read through this post. You can see you get paid $69 per 10,000 views. And if you get 30,000 views in a month, that gets up to $89. If you get 50,000 in a month, that gets up to $100. So you get $500 for 50,000 views, and you literally don't have to make videos, which is awesome. So this is just for the people that need to build up their cash before they can actually trade, or you just want to learn how to code while watching my videos, I think this is the best thing for those that do need help actually making money. Because again, I don't want to suggest to go spend your last $200-300 on algo trading, because it's just not the game for small size investments essentially. So here's a good way. You can have all of my YouTube videos. You can go to my YouTube channel, download those if you'd like.
Talent you have
but I
naturally.
also put them in the
Skill
Dropbox.
is only developed by hours and hours and hours of beating on your craft.
So I'll put them in the Dropbox, videos for clippers. You can just download these videos and then clip them up. Again, I show a full training here, and I actually will add another training here. But this is what you're interested in, how much you get paid per videos. You literally post these videos, and you can see some examples here of other people doing this, and they're doing a great job. They're making better videos than I have, because my videos are too long, and I get that. But I'm not here making videos. I'm here working on my algos. So I need somebody else to do this. And this is just a great opportunity for you if you are in that situation where you have time and you want to learn how to code. If you want to learn how to code, then there's no risk to this, because you literally are only you're gonna watch my videos and learn how to code and then clip them up to make them shorter, so you'll watch them again essentially. And yeah, I look forward to it. Just head on over to the Discord and the Clips channel to learn more. There's a couple training videos. Just read through this whole post here. I'll update it frequently. And yes, long story short is, if you're trying to make money overnight, dude, algo trading is not for you. But you can make money by clipping these videos and finding the good parts and uploading them to your YouTube. And that's pretty much passive income. So enjoy. It's in the Discord. Go learn everything, and I'll talk to you soon. All right, so I get so many people coming to my channel and saying, "Hey, Moondev, can I run your bots and make $1 million? Can I make a bunch of money off this overnight?" And the answer is always no. So algo trading is automating your trading strategy. Now, if you're a trader, you know that you have to have money in order to trade. If you are starting at $0 or close to zero, I actually do not recommend algo trading. I do recommend you learn how to code, because I believe code is the great equalizer. And if you learn how to code, you will be able to build anything for the rest of your life. Now, I understand that you might be thinking this is a way to get rich quick. It's just not. Algorithmic trading is very, very hard, and you have to build your own edge. Now, I show it on YouTube because I believe code's a great equalizer. And if it gets you motivated to code, then dude, I've done my job. You've learned how to code. Okay, so how do you actually make money with coding if you can't just make money out of thin air with algo trading? Again, if you have cash that you have and you're trading it successfully or even unsuccessfully, that's a different story. You can automate your trading and you can earn a yield if you find an edge. But if you have no money, how do you make that first $100 or the first $500 or first $1,000 or whatever, dude? Go to the Clips channel. The Clips channel in my Discord. Go to the moondev.com in order to get in the Discord. Go to the Clips channel, because you can see here I have so many great videos on my YouTube channel, and there's so many pieces of gold that I literally want to watch. If you clip them into short, concise videos and upload them to YouTube, you literally can make passive income. Here's the earning structure for you. You literally just take any of my videos and you go and you clip them up. You go ahead. All right, so now you fully know how to research any trading strategy and find any strategy that may work in the past. So where do you take it from here, dude? Well, I've got a bunch of questions that I need to answer for you, first off. And let's just go through those accordingly. I thought this was a moon, but it's actually a quarter or something. So I have a bunch of frequently asked questions. I want to spend some time on this. The first question I get a lot is, what's the best coding language for algo trading? So there's a ton of different coding languages out there. In my opinion, the best way to approach algorithmic trading is by learning Python. Python is a very wild ride. First off, it's not, nothing in this game is easy. We know that already. But Python is an easier language than some of them out there. And what's great about Python is if you learn Python, you're going to be able to build for pretty much any computer application like on that you can think of. All of the things on my screen right now, all built in Python. Everything I build is in Python. AI is majority built in Python. So everybody building for AI, machine learning is all in Python. So the way I looked at this is I could spend, a year learning Python and ideally automate my trading. The person that I learned who's trading $1 billion a day, he's using Python. So I was like, okay, well, I'm just going to use Python. And what's great about Python is that it's very similar to other languages like JavaScript if you need to change. But the thing is, dude, is that once you learn how to code, you learn how to code. And all of the other languages that you pick up will be very, very easy to pick up. For example, everybody talked about how hard Rust is. Rust is just so hard. It's too hard to do. I was able to pick it up in a couple of weeks. No problem. But that's because I already learned